how to add image zoom effect on Wix website. So I'm just gonna go here, I'm gonna grab a box hover container, and then here we have different hovers containers. I'll grab this one, drag and drop, and then here if I go to edit image, I can edit this image, or I can add an image from if I can edit this image, or if I want, I can click on change image, which you'll be able to change your image from here. You can upload your image from your computer, or you also have other options here. And also you can also move the image if you want to. And the thing that I want to show you here is you can click on hover, and then you can click on play, and you can have this nice effect. And you can choose this effect. You can also add a zoom effect and customize it and increase this, which this is too much, but you know, I can click on preview, and here what do we have? I think it's pretty interesting effect, actually image changes, which is pretty cool. But if you want, you can see we have this image here, and I can click on change image, and I can add, as I said before, a different image. So I can click on here on car, I'll look for a car image, I'll select this one, I'll choose this image. Now we have this image. I can also of course delete this text, and hover, on hover we have this image when you actually move your cursor, and we have this image instead of that one. And of course I can remove that one, and now here what we have is still that image. I can play, and it's just this image, but of course you can add a different image here instead of that one, of course, right? So now you can also click on here and then add a different kind of effect, whatever you want. But you know, that's fine. I don't like the image to change. I just like a zoom, as I said in the title of this video, just a zoom. So yeah, it works without any issue. And you can also change this, as I said before, you can change to maybe go here to box, hover boxes, and you have a different kind of boxes that you could add. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials.